The red panda is a very unique creature, one that looks like a mixture between a fox, a raccoon, and a teddy bear. But did you know that it's actually more closely related to the giant panda? Today, we'll be looking at 10 interesting facts about the red panda. Number 1. They are related to the giant panda. The giant panda is one of the most famous bears in the world, but what do they have to do with the red panda? Well, even though they look very different, they are related. Red pandas are more closely related to giant pandas than any other animal. Even though they belong to different families, they share a common ancestor. This means that the two pandas are more closely related than dogs and wolves. Red pandas were given the scientific name Elurus fulgens, while giant pandas were named Ursus arctos, to their fur. One of the main differences between the two pandas is their fur. Red pandas have long, thick and reddish-brown fur that keeps them warm during the winter. Their fur is also a lot fluffier than that of the giant panda. The difference in fur can be explained by where each species lives. Red pandas live at higher elevations in the mountains of the Himalayas and southwestern China. These regions can get pretty cold, so their fluffier fur helps them survive. Giant pandas live in cooler, less snowy regions of central China. Their shorter fur is better suited for the temperatures in their habitat. The difference in fur is so great that if a giant panda were to mate with a red panda, their offspring would probably inherit the red panda's fluffy fur. 3. They are excellent climbers. Red pandas are known to be great at climbing trees. They have long, bushy tails that help them keep their balance as they jump from branch to branch. The end of their tail has a tuft of long hair, which may play a role in communication. Their sharp claws and strong limbs allow them to grip onto branches with ease. Sometimes they will even hang upside down from branches as they eat. If there are no trees around, they will climb up tall grass instead. Being able to climb is important for red pandas because they are preyed upon by snow leopards and other predators. Climbing allows them to escape to safety. Some people say that red pandas are nature's perfect climbing machine. Number 4. Their diet. As we all know, giant pandas are famous for eating only bamboo. They have special digestive systems that allow them to extract nutrients from the bamboo stalks. However, red pandas don't have these special stomachs. Their diet consists of more than just plants. Red pandas are omnivores, meaning they eat both meat and plants. Their favorite food is bamboo, just like that of the giant panda. However, they will also eat eggs, small mammals, birds, and insects. Sometimes they will even scavenge dead animals for food. Because red pandas have such a varied diet, they need to live in regions with lots of different types of food. This is one of the reasons why they live in mountainous regions with lots of vegetation. 5. Their size. Red pandas are much smaller than giant pandas. Adult red pandas typically weigh between 8 and 14 pounds, 4 to 6 kilograms. They are also smaller in length, measuring between 20 and 26 inches, 50 to 66 centimeters without the tail. Including their tail, they measure between 28 and 39 inches, 71 to 99 centimeters. Red pandas are not only smaller than giant pandas, they are also smaller than many other types of bears. In fact, red pandas are about the same size as domestic cats. This makes them extremely cute and cuddly looking, which has made them popular in zoos. Number 6. Their social life. Red pandas are mainly active during the day. They spend their time eating, climbing, and sleeping. Sometimes they will play, especially when they are cubs. Red pandas are solitary creatures. They usually only come together during mating season. During this time, male red pandas will make loud calls to attract a partner. If a female is ready to mate, she will respond with a yelp. If not, she will remain silent. Once a pair has mated, the male will leave and the female will give birth to her cubs a few months later. And like giant pandas, red pandas usually give birth to more than one cub at a time. A litter usually consists of 2 or 3 cubs. The cubs will stay with their mother for several months before they venture out on their own. Number 7. Their life expectancy. Red pandas can live for between 8 and 10 years in the wild. However, in captivity, they can live much longer. Some have even lived up to 30 years old. Their life expectancy in the wild is so short because they have many predators. They are also often victims of poaching and habitat loss. Red pandas are currently listed as endangered. There are only an estimated 2,500 mature red pandas left in the wild. Now meet their paws. Red pandas have 5 toes on each front paw and 4 toes on each back paw. Their paws are covered with rough pads that help them grip branches while climbing. The rough pads also protect their sensitive skin from getting hurt. Their sharp claws help them dig into trees and other surfaces. They can even curl their claws into their paws, which helps them hang onto things. This ability to curl their claws is similar to that of a cat. When they are walking on the ground, their paws help them balance. Some people say that red pandas have built-in training wheels on their paws. Number 9. Their conservation status. Unfortunately, red pandas are endangered. As we mentioned earlier, there are only about 2,500 mature red pandas left in the wild. Their population is decreasing because of 2 main factors: habitat loss and poaching. As more and more trees are cut down, red pandas are losing their homes. They are also sometimes poached for their fur and meat. Because red pandas are so elusive, it's hard to study them in the wild. This means that we don't know a lot about them. One thing we do know is that they need our help. We can help by supporting organizations that protect red pandas and their habitat. Number 10. Their communication. Red pandas are mostly silent animals, but they can make a variety of sounds. They usually only communicate vocally when they are in distress or when they are trying to find a mate. Red pandas also communicate using scent. They have scent glands near their rear ends which they use to mark their territory. When they climb up a tree, they will rub their back along a leaf or twig. This leaves behind their scent, which tells other red pandas that they were there. Red pandas are also thought to communicate using visual signals, but we don't know much about this yet. Some people believe that red pandas have unique facial expressions that help them communicate. We hope you enjoyed learning about the red panda. It's a truly unique and fascinating creature that needs our help to survive. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Which fact about the red panda surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing animal videos. See you later!